The topic for today is data interpretation. Yesterday we have done those questions which are based on tabular. Today we will do one question of pie chart, and also we will do one bar chart, and also we will do a combination of table and pie chart. So let's do a few more graphs and just try to complete it off, everybody. Yes, let's try to move forward. So yesterday we have done these kind of questions based on this. Yes, I hope you all know that. Clear? Now, this question, let's try to do it, everybody. I guess this question also we have done yesterday, clear, of countries and everything. That's good. And this question yesterday we have done based on commissions. This was the third question what we have done yesterday. Yes. And let's try to do this 14, 15, like questions here. What is said in this question? Listen, everybody. Now we are moving with a pie chart, everyone. In this pie chart, he has given you two pie charts, pie chart 1, pie chart 2. Good evening, Mayank. In these two pie charts, following everybody, here he will give you a couple of questions to you. The questions will be something like this. I'll tell you what the question is all about. Statement 1, statement 2. Two statements are given to you, guys. Following everybody, two statements are given to you. If you think statement 1 is the only correct answer, if you think statement 1 is the only correct answer, your answer is A. If you think statement 2 is true, then your answer should be B. If you think that statement 1, statement 2, both are neither the statement 1 is true nor the statement 2 is true, both are not true, your answer is Chennai. If you think statement 1 and statement 2 both are true, the answer is Delhi. So a couple of statements will be given to you and you are supposed to find out. A couple of statements will be given to you. You are supposed to find out which is true, which is not true. Following everybody. Chaliye, let's try to move forward, everyone. Here. What are these pie charts? And let's try to study these pie charts first, and later we will move into like the kind of questions. What did he ask you here? Let me just try to zoom it and show it to you. Guys, here there are two pie charts. Okay, one 1996 pie chart and one 1997 pie chart. One 1996 pie chart and one 1997 pie chart. Are you understanding, everybody? In 1996 pie chart, we have got 1,44,000 employees. And 1997 pie chart represents the number of employees are more this time, 2,16,000. Following everybody. So here we have been given the names are not given. Instead of that, the code words are given to you: A, B, C, D, E, F. So here you're going to have A as 14%, then 10%, then 12%, then 24%, then 18%, then 22%. When you add all these things, it will be equal to. When you add all these things, it will be equal to 100%. We don't understand that. And that 100% is 1,44,000. 1,44,000 employees are there. How many employees are there, guys? 1,44,000 employees are there. In that, A, B, C, D, some denotions are there. So we have to find out who is A, who is B. Separate information is given to you. If you just try to see here, A is nothing but line employees. Are you understanding, guys? A is nothing but line employees, B is nothing but supervisors, C are clerks, D is executives, E is managers, F is peons. He did not write down here. He should write down B as supervisors here only. He should write down C as clerks here, D as executives. He should write down all these things in the graph only, but he did not write all that. He named them. He denoted them A, B, C, D, E, and F. So you should just try to find out the relationship between these codes and these names and also the 2 years of the pie chart. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? Chaliye. Clear? Let's try to move forward, everyone. Let's try to move forward, everyone. Here. What's the kind of question he asked in the beginning? Listen, everybody. The first question he asked you here is two statements. Statement 1, statement 2. What is the statement 1? He said that. In the statement 1, if you just try to see here the number of managers as a percentage of the number of supervisors in 1996 is more than the number of them in 1997 or not. Are you understanding, everybody? Clear, everybody? the number of managers as a percentage of, no, it's not data sufficiency. It's a DI question given the form of ABCD. It's not data sufficiency. Data sufficiency means some data they will give you and ask you whether it is sufficient to answer or not. But here the question is not like that. Here in this asking you statement 1 is correct or statement 2 is correct. Which one is correct? We are supposed to find out. Are you understanding, everybody? Is that clear? That's good. Clear? Let's sort of move forward now. What did he ask in this question here? The number of managers as a percentage as a number of supervisors in 1996 means the number of manager guys. The number of managers as a percentage to the number of supervisors in 1996 is more than the managers and the number of supervisors as a percentage in 1997. Is it more or not? In 1996, in 1997, is it more or not? Guys, here we should not find out what all he has given you. Just try to forget all these things. First, let's try to just tell you here. If I ask you, how many supervisors are there? If I'm asking you how many supervisors are there in the year 1996, I'm asking you how many supervisors are there in the 1996. B stands for supervisors. Are you understanding, everybody? B stands for supervisors. Is it fine? So this is 10%. 10% of this thing. Are you understanding, everybody? 10% of this thing. Do you have any idea what is 10% of this thing, everybody? Clear? So 10%. How will we know percentage of managers? Yeah, this everything is given. Aditi, this everything is given the data. The total data is given to you. The total data is given to you. Understanding, guys? The total data is given to you. Here. Now, so let's try to see here 10%. 10% of what, guys? 10% of the total 1,44,000. Do you have any idea what is 10% of 1,44,000? Just try to remove 1 0 here. When you remove 1 0, it will become 14,400. It will become what? It will become 14,400. Is that fine, everybody? That's good. Okay. If I ask you how many line employees are there? If I ask you how many line employees are there? You know, in these all things, these are the line employees. How many line employees are there in the year 1997? In the year 1997, we know the total population is this thing. In the year 1997, we know the total population is what? 2,16,000. We want the number of line managers. We want the number of line managers. Line managers are how much? 10%. 10% of this thing. Guys, what is 10% of 2,16,000? It's very simple. 21,600. What is that? 21,600. So these are the percentages which you are supposed to calculate on this thing. These are the percentages which you're supposed to calculate on this thing. Are you understanding? So what did he ask in the question, students? What did he ask in the question? What did he ask in the question? The number of managers as a percentage of the number of supervisors in the year 1996, is it more compared to year 1997, the managers and supervisors? Following, everybody? Clear? So here we need not struggle all that. Let's try to do it, everybody. Clear? The number of managers as a percentage of number of supervisors as a percentage is 1996. Is it greater or lesser compared to the year 1997? Are you understanding, everybody? So, what is the managers in the year 1996? What is the managers in the year 1996? The managers in the year 1996, this is the 1996 data, this is the total data. Managers is E. E is how much percentage, guys? E is 18%. So, we are supposed to calculate 18%. 18% of 1,44,000. 18% of 1,44,000. So, guys, 18% of 1,44,000 is the number of managers in the year 1986. Let's try to compare the number of supervisors. Supervisors is B. B stands for supervisor, guys. So B stands for supervisor. 10% of 1,44,000. 10% of 1,44,000, guys. Following, everybody. 10 lakh of 1,44,000. Okay. 10% of 1,44,000. As a percentage is greater in the year 1997 manager supervisors ratio. So I'll tell you what we are supposed to do it, everybody. Clear? So here, managers in the year, this thing, 20% of 2,16,000. 20% of 2,16,000. So 20% of 2,16,000 is the number of managers in the year 1997. So what did he ask you here? As a percentage of supervisors. Supervisors is B. B is standing for supervisors. 12% of 2,16,000. 12% of 2,16,000. So guys, 12% of 2,60,000. So need not do this much. Need not do this much. Anyhow, we are not calculating. Yes, Aditi, you're saying 8 lakhs, something like that. Nothing to do here. So definitely these all things get cancelled. Off 1,44,000, off 2,16,000, 2,100%, 100% getting cancelled. So simply we are saying 18% is here. Percent get cancelled, percent get cancelled, percent get cancelled, percent get cancelled. So simply 18 upon 10. 18 upon 10, is it greater than 20 upon 12? That's what. So as you all know that the numerator and denominator both are same, we are cancelling all that numerator and denominator. What we are doing is what? Which one is greater? Is this fraction is greater or this fraction is greater? That's what we are supposed to find out. Are you understanding, guys? You know how to find out this? Just a simple. You are supposed to do the cross multiplication, guys. You are supposed to do cross multiplication. Let me just try to multiply this one here. When you multiply this one here, that will be 200. When you multiply this one here, 18 12s are 18 12s are. You should know what is 18 12s are. That is how much? 216. Are you understanding what I mean to say? So do you think which fraction is bigger? 18 upon 10 is bigger or 20 upon 12 is bigger? So 18 upon 12 is bigger. So do you think the person managers as a percent of supervisors in 1997 is bigger? Yes, 1996 is bigger than 1997. So what do we feel, guys? What do we feel that the statement 1 is 100% true? Are you understanding, everybody? Why I am avoiding all these cancellations? Because we are supposed to prove. We are supposed to prove, is it true or false? In DI, sometimes when they ask you is it true or false, don't get involved in much calculations. Roughly you go and cancellations and roughly you'll get the answer. Yes, it seems to be true. Statement 1 is 100% true. Are you understanding, everybody? I hope everybody have understood this. Is it fine? Please say yes or no. Come on. If you say yes or no based on that, I'll just try to move forward. Make it fast, guys. Second one I did not check. Yes, you have understood. Now second one I did not check. I will check the second one also. Don't worry. Second one I did not check. I'll check the second one also. Okay, clear? Now, let's try to see the second statement. In the second statement, what did he ask you? The decrease means downfall. The decrease in the number of executives from 1997 to 1996 to 1997 is less than 50% or not. The downfall of 1996 to 1997. Who executives in the year 1996, executives in the year 1997. The downfall, is this 50% or less than 50%? The question is. I don't know what is that. You're asking, is it true? First one is always true. Second one here is true or false, we don't know. Are you understanding, everybody? Second one is true or false, we don't know. Are you understanding, guys? Yeah, that's true. Yeah. So what shall we do now? Following, everybody. What shall we do now? Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye. Now, here we are go and just try to calculate the roughly. 1996 executives, 1997 executives, I'll just take away the data. I'll just try to take away the data. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye. Now, here. Executives are A, B, C, D, E. Executives are D students. What are executive, guys? D. D in the year 1996. D in the year 1996. That is 24% of 1,44,000. 24% of 1,44,000. 24% of 1,44,000. These are the executives in the year 1996. Let's try to find out the executives in the year 1997. Executives in the 1997. Executives are who? D. 12% of 2,16,000. So 12% of 2,16,000. Let's try to find out. 12% of 2,16,000. Students, what is my question? Is this true or false? So when you're asking me, is it true or false? You are not asking me the number. You are not asking you what is the accurate number. You are asking the percentage. No, you are asking only one thing, numbers, values. No. Is it true or not? So when you are saying that true or false, so I'll do one thing. I will not maintain accuracy. Roughly, I'll check it out. Are you understanding, everybody? Chale, let's do the rough check, roughly checking. Okay. Now, so this is not 24%, guys. I will take it as 25%. Any issue for you? No. I'll take 25%. Why will I take 25? Round figure, sir. I don't want to do perfectly. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye, let's see here. So, you have understood this. Clear? So, this is how much, guys? 1,44,000. Yesterday, I told you 1,44,000. Large numbers, you don't take it. Just make it compact. I'll make it compact for you. Roughly in your brain, it should be go. If this is 1,44,000, then this is 2,16,000. If this is 14,400, remove 1 0 here. If you remove 1 0 here, you remove 1 0 here. You remove 1 0 here, you'll remove 1 0 here. So roughly you can go it. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye. Now, 25%, leave this 24%. 25% of 144. Roughly I am going. You are asking me true or false. I'm not engaging myself into calculations. 25% of 144. I don't know. 144 half. 144 50% is 72 rupees. 144 half. 72. 25% is what? 36. So I got 36 employees. Yes, Kiran got 36. Following, everybody? So why I'm taking it is what in the calculator, I don't know. I'll show you in the calculator is something, it is not exactly 36 employees, something around, but I'm going with approximations. Let's go here. 12% of this thing. 12% of 216. Look, guys, 12%, it's very simple. How to do it? So 10%, 100%, half of 100% is 50%, half of 50% is 25%, half of 25% is 12.5%. Half of 28% is 12.5%. So directly you can go it. So let it be, 100%. This is 216. Half is very simple. Half of 216 is what? 108. 50% is 108. 50% is 108. 25%, you all know that it is 54. When 25% is 54, I want 12.5%. Roughly, I am telling you 54.5 means 27. I hope you all people have understood this. What shall I write down here? 12% of this thing. Are you understanding it? How many employees that? How many employees that? Guys, you got it. Isn't it, everybody? 27 employees. So like this, roughly you calculate. Are you understanding, everybody? Or else, you know that in fractions, 10% is 1/10. 12.5, 12.5%, guys, 12.5% is what? 1/8. So you can also calculate 12% of 216 means 1/8 of 216. 1/8, round figure. 12.5 is not there. 12 is there. Approximately I'm taking. Are you understanding, guys, everybody? So 1/8 of this thing, near about 27 employees, whatever. Are you understanding, everybody? Good. Now, guys, so here, previously in the year 1996, we have got 36 employees. Now, in the year 1997, I have 27 employees. What did he ask you? Is this less than 50% or is it more than 50%? What is my question is this less than 50% or more than 50%? Understood, everybody? Chaliye, let's try to see. What did he ask you? The decrease in the number of executives is less than 50% or more than 50%? I don't know. So 36 employees used to be there in the factory. Now only 27 employees are there. So according to you, how many people left? 11 people left. 11? Not 11. Is it 11, guys? 9 people left. How many people left? 9. So you tell me, suppose in 36, 18 people left. For example, believe 18 people left. When 18 people left the factory, 18 out of 36. You know what, guys? What is 18 out of 36? 18 out of 36 is 50%. There used to be 36 employees in the factory. Now 18 people have left the factory. So means 50% left the factory. But do you think is it practically 8 or 9? 9. It's not 18. Means it is 50%? No, sir, it's less than 50%. Is it satisfying? Yes. This is also true. Second one is also true. So what was the question, guys? What was the question? So if the statement 1 alone is true, answer is A. If statement 2 alone is true, answer is B. If statement 1, statement 2, both are not true, answer is C. If statement 1, statement 2, both are true, answer is what? D. So in this thing, the answer we can say, the answer is what, guys? The answer is what? D. Are you understanding? Statement 1 also holds true. Statement 2 also holds true. Are you understanding, everybody? So what are we doing here? Are we engaging ourselves into calculations? No, guys. We are not engaging ourselves into calculations. We are doing rough figures. Why? Because I'm interested whether it's a true or false. Whether it's a true or false. Hopefully, I think that you have understood that. Question number 14. Let's try to move across to the question number next one. Okay, everybody. 14th question you have done successfully. Okay, so let's sort of remove this question. I'm giving one question for you people to do it now. 15th question. Please do this question, everybody. So on the screen you have got on don't want you to find out what are the values. I didn't give you the options, 20%, 29%, 20. I'm not asking the questions like that. I'm asking you true or false. So I don't think so you are supposed to, manage with all that. Says Bangalore is an answer. Subhashmita says Bangalore is an answer. Reshma says first one is false, second one is true. Are you sure? Employees and the supervisors in the year 1997. Following everybody, guys? The number of peons in the year 1996 is it same as the number of line employees and the supervisors in the year 1997? Following everybody, guys? Yeah. So the number of peons in the year 1996, peons F in the year 1996 means 22% of 1,44,000. So 22% peons in the year 1996. Peons in the year 1996. So what's the percentage, guys? What's the percentage here? 22% of 1,44,000. 22% of 1,44,000. Is it same? Is it equal to the number of line employees and the number of supervisors in the year 1997? Line employees and supervisors in 1997. So line employees and supervisors. Line employees are A, supervisors are B. A and B. A and B in the year 1997. So 10% and 12%. Guys, 10% and 12%. 10% and 12% of 2,16,000. So what did he say here? A and B of what? 1997. Guys, I don't think so any student will solve this thing. Let me tell you why. So this is 12 plus 10% is 22%. Guys, 10% plus 12% is 22%. So naturally you tell me, do you think 22% of 1,44,000 is equal to 22% of 2,16,000? Never. You need not find out what is the value also here. You need not find out what is the value also here. So this question is quite logical question. Definitely, sir. Definitely. This 22% of this number, this 22% of this number, how can you say they are equal? No, it's not equal. Are you understanding here? So statement 1 seems to be wrong, completely wrong. Are you understanding? By observation, we can answer this one. We need not do this thing. By observation, we can answer. Are you understanding, everybody? Chalo. Now, let's go for the second one. What did he say in the second one? The difference between the clerks in the year 1997 to the clerks in the year 1997 is less than 9,000. A similar kind of question what we have done. Clerks in the year 1996 and the clerks in the year 1997, the difference is 9,000 or less than 9,000. So I'm not interested to find out what is that number. I have to prove it. Is it less than 9,000 or more than 9,000, the difference? Are you understanding what I mean to say? So let's try to find out the clerks, everybody. What are the clerks, everybody? So clerks in the year 1990, clerks. Who is the clerks? C. Clerks, nothing stands for C. So C is 12% of 1,44,000. 12% of 1,44,000 is a number of clerks in the year 1996. And let's try to go and find out what's the clerks. Clerks is 6% of 2,16,000. Guys, 6% of 2,16,000. That's it. Are you understanding what I mean to say? Is that fine? Yes or no? Good. So the difference I would like to find out. Okay, clear? So it's quite simple. Still I'm telling you, we have to go with the round figure. We should not find out what is this thing. So you just try to remove 3 zeros from here. Remove 3 zeros from here. No matter, you are removing 3 zeros from both sides. Or making the calculations quite easier. Following, as I've told you, go with the approximations. Remove 3 zeros. When time comes, we'll keep these 3 zeros. Remove 3 zeros as of now. So 12% I want. 12% is nothing but 1/8. You all know that, guys. 1/8 of 1,44,000. 144, that's it. Does it go in 8 table? Let's try to check it out here. 12% is not 1/8, guys. 12.5% is 1/8. But I'm taking 12% as 1/8 for round figure. Okay, everybody? Chaliye. 8 ones are 8. How many times goes in 14 one time? So what is left, guys, here? 6 is left. 64. 64. 8s are. So that's good. So answer is 1/8. 1/8 of this thing is what? 1/8 of 144 is definitely how much, guys? It is nothing but 18. Not 18. What did it? Yeah. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye. Okay. Now you keep 3 zeros. The 3 zeros, nobody will stop you. Understood, everybody? Don't involve here. Okay, 6%. I don't want to take 6%, guys. If you want to take 6%, you can take 6%. 6% is nothing but, 1%. What is 10%, guys? What is 10%? In 216, 10% is 21.6. 10% is 21.6. So 1% is 1.26. 1% is 2.16. You do 6%. Here, 64, 16, 6 are 96. And here what's that? 12. 1296, guys. 1296. 1296 means take a round figure. 13. 13 chalega. 13. Keep these 3 zeros if you want. That is 3. So guys, do you think the gap is 9,000? No. It seems to be false. Do you think first one is false? First one is also false. Oh, second one is not false, guys. Okay. He's not asking it should be 9,000. Is it less than 9,000? He told you the number less than. Yes, sir. It is less than 9,000. That is true. I'm sorry, guys. Okay. He's asking you less than 9,000. So definitely it has to be true. Are you understanding, everybody? So these are the kind of questions in DI they'll give you. I've never taught you these true and false questions in the past yesterday. Why? The reason behind is what? Those are different questions. They're asking you some values. But here there's not asking any values. Is it true or false? Whenever the status kind of questions will come, is it true or false? You need not get involved in accuracy. Go with approximations. Go with approximations. There you can save a lot of time. Why we are going this one much faster? Because we have learned percentages. That is 10% is this thing. 1% is 1.26. All these things we have learned in percentages. I hope you all remember. Here, we have done all these things in percentages. Anyways, let's sort of move, guys, to the next one. So this question was given in Infosys, the one which you are seeing on the screen right now. Was given in Infosys. Okay, one small pie chart they have given to you and one small table they have given to you. Following everybody. So same question we are doing right now, everybody. So this was a question given to you. Following, what did it say here? So one pie chart. This pie chart is the quarterly sales. Quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. You know quarter everybody, है ना? वो तो नहीं भूलोगे तुम. हाफ जानते हो, फुल तो देखा हो ना तुमने. फुल means complete year. Half means 6 months. Quarter means people think 4. No, it's not 4, it's 3. Sure, Barchiller, I will collect these things, There are some questions which have been given by the students in the past, definitely. If you have got any questions, guys, please try to, WhatsApp me, clear. Now, yes, the pattern paper has changed, That's the reason you're asking me the game-based questions, okay? Now, let's try to move forward, everybody. Here, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. Quarter 1 means 3 months. January, February, March. Quarter 2 means next 3 months. April, May, June. Quarter 3, what's that? August, September, October. And the last quarter, November, December. October, November, December. Clear? So these are the 4 quarters we're going to have here. Okay, everybody. So what is this 4 quarters information? This 4 quarter information is nothing but sales. How much of sales you have done, guys? 25% of sales you have done. Sorry, not 25. 25 lakhs of sales. You tell me, is this 25 lakhs of sales is done in the first quarter or second quarter or third quarter or fourth quarter? It is done in which quarter? Sir, it is done in all quarters. The whole annual sales is 25%. Sorry, 25 lakhs. Are you understanding, guys? Clear? Let's try to have the overlook. After getting this thing, following everybody, now we are moving into this thing. What is this table? A table also being attached. I'm not telling you. Infosys is telling this question. If you just try to see on the screen. Following everybody. So that question we are doing right now. Following. So have a patience in learning. Okay. So now we are moving into table. What is this table? Sir, this 25 lakhs business, whoever have done, he have not done the sales. This sales is not given completely on cash. There is something on credit, there is something on cash. Guys, cash and credit. You buy any kind of mobile phone and you give the cash to him. It is the cash sales of the company. But sometimes what happened, there is some EMI facility. Easily monthly installment. So that is said to be credit sales. The product will be taken by you, but every month you are supposed to pay. Means on credit you are taking. Cash means direct cash. You all know that. Hand over the cash, take the amount. Sorry, take the product. So this 25 lakhs business, guys, this 25 lakhs business, whatever has been happened in all the 4 quarters, they have not done everything in cash. Some people are taking on credit. Some people are taking on what? Cash. The first quarter, 75% is done in credit, 25% in cash. Very few people paid the amount. But quarter 2, 50-50, not 50, 60-40 is better. Many people increase 40% paid on cash. But here, 50-50 guys, 50-50. It's okay, 50-50. Quarter 3, 50-50. Are you understanding? But quarter 4, 70% on credit and 30% on this thing. Means you are supposed to find out what is the 25% of this pie chart. After getting all the values, you have to install all these values in this kind of things. Are you understanding what I mean to say? So we have to study 2 pie charts. One, breaking of 25 lakhs in the form of 4 quarters. Second, putting all these things in a table, cash, credit, cash, credit, cash, credit. Are you understanding, everybody? Actually, let's try to find out, everybody. Yeah. Now, so guys, 25 lakhs he told. Is this 25 lakhs, whatever you are seeing on the screen, is this 25 lakhs is done in first quarter? No, all quarters. So I will just say to segregate. I'll just try to segregate this thing. So let's try to go and just check it out here. What is the first quarter, guys? What is the first quarter, guys? 22%. Do you have any idea how to calculate 22%? Simple. In our brain. So 20% minus 2% is, plus 2% is 22%. Following, everybody? So tell me, who is this 25 lakhs acting like? Who is this 25 lakhs acting like? This 25 lakhs acting like total percent. How much percent, guys? As I told you in the previous pie chart. How much? 100%. So this 25 lakhs is 100%. Guys, when 25 lakhs is 100%, what is 10%, guys? What is 10%? Keep a dot. That's it. 2.5 lakhs. 10% is, guys, 2.5 lakhs. Nothing that. Just keep a dot as we learn in percentage. When 10% is 2.5 lakhs, once again, I'm telling you 10% is 2.5 lakhs. 10%, 10%. Below 20%, it's 5 lakhs amount. Guys, as you all know that, we are supposed to find out not just this thing, we are supposed to find out 2% also. So you all know that, when 10% is 2.5, when 10% is 2.5, guys, could you please tell me what is 1%? 1% is 0.25. It's not 2.5. 1% is what? 0.25. 10% is 2.5. 1% is 0.25. Charana, whatever you call, 0.25. So 2% is what? 0.25, 0.25, that is 0.5. So we can say 5.5 lakhs. Are you understanding, students, everybody? How much of the business you have done in the first quarter? 5.5 lakhs. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? So let's try to go with the quarter two. Quarter two is how much? 18%. Quarter two is how much, guys? 18%. So do you know how to calculate 18%? Simple. From 20%, you subtract 2%. Already you know 20%. Just subtract 2%. That will be. So you all know that 20% is 5 lakhs. You all know 20% is 5 lakhs. 0.2% is, the 2.5. So subtract this. This will be 4.5 lakhs. I just would like to ask you how to find out this fourth quarter. All the calculations I am doing from my side. You are just viewers. You are just watching. Come on, guys, make it faster. $8.5. Guys, it's 9 lakhs. I'll tell you how. Listen, everybody. Here, 18% is 4.5 lakhs. So definitely 36% will be double of 18. 9 lakhs. That's it. You need not struggle. When 18% is 4.5, definitely 36% will be double, na, guys? 9 lakhs. That's what. The relation is what? From 18, you'll get 9 lakhs. Are you understanding what I mean to say? That's good. Okay, you need not find out that because already you can take the help of that. Last one is 24%. Guys, what is 24%? It's all we can get it. 24%. Guys, 20% plus 2% you did it. Plus 2% you did it. Again 2% you add 22%, 24%. That's 0.25, 0.25. What's that, guys? 6 lakhs. Are you understanding, everybody? So what you people have done? Sir, हमने क्या किया है? हमने क्या किया है? सर, जो 25 लाख दिया गया था, अगर देता तो कितना अच्छा होता. हम लोग मिल बांट के खाते हैं, है ना? That 25 lakh have been divided into all the 4 quarters like this. Understood now? After getting all these yellow colors in all the 4 quarters, whatever you're seeing on the screen, now, so tell me, if I ask you one small question, I'm telling you orally, you just try to chat with me and tell the answer. How much of the sales have been done on credit? How much of the sales have done in credit in third quarter? In third quarter, what is the amount done on credit in the third quarter? Any idea, guys? Third quarter, credit. Come on, guys. 50%. Ravikant, sorry, Subhashmita, you are saying 50%. Is this 50% of the total sales, Subhashmita, or 50% of the third quarter? है ना, फर्क है ना? Don't try to miscalculate. That is 3 lakhs. Are you understanding what I mean to say? I hope everybody is understanding now. 50%. So here we have got all the 4 kind of, here we can say 5.5 lakhs. Here we can say 4.5 lakhs. Here we can say 6 lakhs. Here we can say 9 lakhs. So these are the 4 kind of numbers which we got it. That's it. Hope you people are understanding this. Are you understanding, everybody? Let's try to move forward, guys. Are you understanding? Clear? That's good. If I ask you, how much of the cash sales have been done in the fourth quarter? How much amount of cash they got in the fourth quarter? Any idea how much of the cash they got in the fourth quarter? First of all, from this 25 lakhs, you should get how much you did on fourth quarter sales. In that sales, you are supposed to find out what is the cash percentage. Come on, is it 2.7? Yes. Roughly, we should calculate all these things because we are already done with percentage. So this is 9 lakhs. Is this 9 lakhs is 1% or 100%? 100%. In that, 70% on credit, 30% on cash. So we are supposed to find out 30% of 9 lakhs. I don't know 30% of 9 lakhs. What is 10%, guys? 10% of 9 lakhs is 0.9 lakhs. What is 10%? 0.9. 30% is 0.9, 0.9, 0.9. 9 3s are 27. Means what? 2.7 lakhs. Are you understanding what I mean to say? Is this question is okay, everybody? 9 lakh. Guys, that's good. Your calculations are going good. Okay? मेरा नहीं है. इनका है. Okay? Following, guys? चलिए. Now, what do we do now? Okay? Let's try to have those numbers. Following, everybody? Okay? Let's try to calculate the numbers. So, these are all the 4 quarter sales. Now, let's try to calculate here. You told 2.7 here. 30% of cash. 30% of 9 lakhs. And 70% of 9 lakhs, 6.3 lakhs. We have done this 4th quarter distribution. 50% of 6 lakhs, 3 lakhs. 50% of 6 lakhs, 3 lakhs. We got it. Guys. And here, 40% of this thing and 60% of this thing. Following, everybody, 40% of this thing. I don't know what is 10%, guys. 10% of 4.5 lakhs. 4.5 lakhs, 10%. 10% is 0.45. This is 100% now. 40% of 4.5. 40% of 4.5. I don't know 40% of 4.5. 10% is 0.45. 0.45. What's that? 18. Nice. 10% is 0.45. 20% is 0.9. Double. 40% is 1.8. Are you understanding, guys? Okay. Now, rest of all, 1.8 lakhs means rest of all, 2.7 lakhs is 60%. That's good, Reshma. But I want you to fill these two. Come on, guys, fill these two. 75% of this and 25% of this. Make it faster. Come on, make it faster, everybody. So these are the values. These are the values. He gave you percentages here. He gave you percentages. We have written the values. So Subhashmita have used much calculator and she said that 4.125. 4.125 is credit and she said that 1.375 is on cash. Are you understanding, guys? But we don't want as of now. We don't want as of now. We don't want these all values. Leave it. Now, let's try to see the first question. The question number 16. What is the question number 16, guys? Question number 16 is, what has been the percentage change from the sales from first quarter to fourth quarter? We don't want all these things. We don't want all these things. From first quarter to fourth quarter, what is the percentage increase in sales? First quarter is in your hands. Fourth quarter is in your hands. We have to find out what is the percentage change. Change means I told you yesterday, gap. You remember that. Difference, increase, decrease. Whenever told change, we have to find out what percentage change. From first quarter to fourth quarter. Are you understanding, guys? Chaliye. We are not required the values. I'll tell you how. Percentage change from first quarter to fourth quarter. 12%. Some people say 14%. Some people say 14%. Some people say 12%. Good. Very good. Mayank says 14%. Good. Aditi, everybody says 14%. Good. But everybody is wrong. I'll tell you, guys. Why everybody is wrong? I'll tell you. Listen, everybody. Jagdish and everybody, you listen. What did he say in the question here, guys? What is a percentage change? Did he ask you what is a change? If what is a change in sales from first quarter to fourth quarter? Sir, first quarter is 22%. Fourth quarter is 36%. First quarter is 22%. Last quarter is 36%. The change is 14%. Everybody is right. But what did he ask you? What is the percentage change? What is jump in percentage? 100% jump, 15% jump. Let's try to have a look here. If he asks you change, you all people are right. If he asks you change, you all people are right. But he asks you percentage change, guys. He asks you percentage change. Let's try to see the percentage change. So here, you have done 22% in quarter 1. In quarter 4, you have not done 22%, you have done 36%. When you see the gap, that is 14. When you see the gap, that is 14. If the word percentage is not given, what is the change? 14%, your answer is right. But the word percentage is given to you. So you have to calculate 14 per 22. 14 per 22. Guys, you know what is 14 per 22? 7 per 11. Answer is 7 by 11. I don't know 7 by 11. I know 1 by 11. 1 by 11 is 9 1 by 11. 1 by 11 is 9 1 by 11. We have learned in profit and loss. 7 by 11 is 63 1 by 11. So answer is, guys, 64%. Are you understanding what I mean to say? How much percent? 64%. Why you all people are wrong? Because he didn't ask you what is the change. He's asking you what is the percentage change. Suppose he asks you what is the difference between the first quarter sales to the final quarter sales, 14%. You can say that. But he asks you percentage change. When they ask you percentage change, we are supposed to calculate the gap and find out this upon this. This upon this. Hope you people have understood that. Understood? So answer is Bangalore. Okay, not this. Try to understand that. Yeah, clear? It's my duty to make you understand what's the difference between change and percentage change. Following everybody? Chaliye guys, I believe that you have done this question number 16. For question number 16, you need not do all that. You need not find out all that. Not even require these values. Not even require this yellow color. Not even require this boxes. Only using these two numbers, we can answer the question number 16. Good. Guys, so I am reviewing the question number 16. I just wanted to have observation and answer the question. Following everybody? Look at this question number 17. Question number 17 is not the calculation based, it's observation based. What did he ask in the question number 17? Sir, the collection of sales of any quarter is done in the next quarter. The collection of sales in any quarter is done in the next quarter. Means quarter one sales you have done on credit. So tell me when the collection will be happening? Next quarter. Suppose you purchase any mobile this month. This month only you will be credited with the amount? No. If you take a credit card, every month it will be credited. But what's the condition here? Every month? No, every month. The collection of the money of any quarter is done in the next quarter. So, which quarter has the highest cash coming? Which quarter has the highest cash coming? First quarter will get highest amount, second quarter or third quarter or fourth quarter. Which quarter? Come on guys, you tell me. Aditi says answer is Agra. Reshma says Agra. Anybody says? Vipul says Bangalore. Anybody? Come on. I know that all the students are there in the session. They are just listening, Ismail, perfect answer, Ismail. Ismail, perfect answer. Quarter one is perfect. Subhashmita, quarter one is perfect. Why? Because have a look, everybody. So, if quarter one, listen, everybody. Quarter one collections is done in quarter two. Quarter two collection, whatever the credit sales is collected in quarter three. Quarter three collection is done in quarter four. Quarter four collection is done in quarter one back. Are you understanding what I mean to say? So tell me where you have sold a large amount on credit. Sir, I have sold a large amount on credit. If you just try to check it out here, guys. So this. Sir, I did more sales in the quarter four. In quarter four, I did a large sales on credit. So if I wanted to do the collection of that credit of that quarter four is done in the next quarter. The next quarter is, guys, quarter one. So which quarter had the highest cash coming? So highest cash is not coming in quarter four. Quarter four, you sold on highest credit, but the collection is done in the next quarter. So answer is Delhi. Ismail said Delhi is the correct answer. Subhashmita says Delhi is the correct answer. Are you understanding, guys, what's the kind of question he want to ask you? He want to ask you, हिंदी में बोलता हूं, आप समझ जाओगे. किसी भी क्वार्टर की जब मतलब भरपाई करना है, द कलेक्शन करना है, तो उसका नेक्स्ट क्वार्टर में कलेक्शन किया जाता है. जो भी अमाउंट वसूल करना है, वसूली बोलो तुम. Whatever the kind of वसूली you are doing for any quarter is done in the next quarter. Are you understanding? So best answer is quarter one, because a heavy credit you gave in quarter four, and definitely the customer will not pay in the same quarter. Customer pay in the next quarter. That is quarter one. Following everybody? So like that. Hope you have understood. Say yes or no. I don't know whether you are listening or not listening, but many guys are there. They are intelligent. They are just listening over here, but they are not interacting. Interaction makes you. एक बच्चा भी बोला yes तो मैं हट जाऊंगा. I don't know whether everybody is answering or not. Okay. Are you all following? Yes, Vipul ने बोला yes, Aditi ने बोला yes. बाकी सबका मुझे जानता है नहीं जानता है, चले छोड़िए. Now let's try to move forward, everybody. Now I'm taking this question number 17 out. I'm asking the question number 18 now. Again, this is also observation based question. Observation. This thesis was given some questions by observation. Some questions you have to calculate, guys. Some question based on observation. What is said that? The company, believe that this is a company. The sales of the company is 25 lakhs. Thank you. The company does not charge the customers any interest on credit sales. Means this 4.125 lakhs they sold on credit. Definitely the company has taken some loan from the bank. A bank have given a loan to the company and company is selling to the customers. Are you understanding, guys, what I mean to say that? The company, firm means company. Guys, firm means company. The company is taking a loan from the bank, for example, and doing their business. Do you think the company have to definitely pay something to the bank? Yes. How much percent? He told you. How much percent? 1.5% every month they are supposed to pay in the form of interest when they have started a company. But do you think customer is paying back to the customer is paying, the customer is paying back to the company? No, customers are not paying back because company is not collecting any kind of. Company does not charge any interest on credit sales. Company is not charging any credit sales to the customers. But customers have to pay genuinely, but they are not paying. But bank will not keep quiet. Bank will definitely give the interest. How much is the interest? 1.5% interest every month. Who is going to bear the loss? Definitely the company is going to bear the loss. Why? When they have taken a loan from the bank and they are doing the business, they should also collect some interest rate from the customer, but they are not doing. So if they are not collecting any interest, they are in loss. So that's the reason I'm asking you, which quarter had the highest loss? Which quarter has the highest loss due to credit sales? Come on, guys. This you can answer by observation-based question. Are you understanding, everybody? A. People is saying A. Reshma is saying A. You people are saying A. Are you sure A? Quarter 4. Look at quarter 4. The highest credit you did in the last quarter. Definitely the company is going to be in loss. Are you understanding, everybody? Following, everybody? So this is the company. This is the bank. And this is the customer. As per rule, company will take a loan. Company will take a loan and do the business. And the interest rate is 1.5% per month. 1.5% per month. And this company will take a loan and do the business. And they should also collect from the customer. Customer is coming and taking without having any amount they are taking. Means on credit. So definitely who is going to bear? Who is going to bear the loss? Who is going to bear the loss? Customers will not bear because they're taking without money. So the company is going to bear the loss. Because every month they are paying the bank interest rate and doing the business. So if they collect from the customer also, it's good. But they are not collecting. So like this, if they give large amount on credit, so that's what, where they have a heavy loss. Are you understanding, everybody? People are answering that. So here, quarter, yeah, let me just show you. Here, 3 lakhs you have given on sales on credit, 2.7 lakhs on credit, 4.125 lakhs on credit. Understanding, everybody? Clear? So definitely the highest loss you can find out here in quarter 4, because this is the highest one. Quarter 4 is the highest one. Following, everybody? I believe that you all people are understanding the kind of questions. Say yes or no. Guys, please tell me, are you all understanding? Say yes or no. Here, let's try to move forward, everybody, guys. The last question I'm asking you of this thing. Listen, everybody. Listen, everybody. If not 1%, not 2%, if 1.75% of the credit add as bad debts, bad debt means a loans, bad debts means what? The amount which is unrecoverable. Means the company is giving on loan. The company is giving the customers on credit. But do you think, guys, when they give the credit, do you think all customers will genuinely pay? Do you think all are honest customers? Definitely all the customers pay? No. The people who have taken on credit, the people who have taken a credit from the company, bank to leave it, 100% bank is charging, but company should also take the same amount. But when company is selling on credit, not 100% people are paying. Not 100% people are paying. 1% of the amount what you gave on the credit is not recoverable, unrecoverable. 1%? No, 2%. 2%? No, guys. 1.75%. So whatever the amount the company has given on credit, 100% all the people are not paying. 1.75% people will not pay because maybe they are not in a situation to pay. So that is not recoverable amount. You know that when bank gives the loan on credit card, something like that, do you think 100% everybody pay? No. Some people will do the scam. How much percent now people are doing the scam? 1.75%. 1.75% of all the credit sales is unrecoverable. So who is going to bear the loss, guys? Tell me, who is going to bear the loss? Bank is going to bear the loss? No. Bank is not going to bear the loss. The company is going to bear the loss. Bank to 100% will collect from the company, but company is not able to collect from the customers. Not 50% people are cheating, not 2%. 1.75% of the customers are cheating. Following, everybody? That much of amount is not recoverable. Are you understanding, everybody? So we are supposed to find out, guys. So it is 1.75% of cash sales or 1.75% of credit sales. Are you understanding what I mean to say? So this 1.75% of credit sales it is. Bolo guys, what sales it is? It is credit sales. So what happened? 1.75% on credit sales. So is this 1.75% of all 4.125 plus 2.7 lakhs plus 3 lakhs plus 6.3 lakhs. So we are supposed to add all that. 6.3 plus 2.7. I know math calculation. That is 9. 6.3 plus 2.7 is 9. 9 plus 3 is what? 12. 12 lakhs plus 14.125 means, guys, 16.125 lakhs is on credit. Understood what I mean to say? Out of 25 lakhs business, guys, on the screen you can check it out here. Out of 25 lakhs business, 16.125 lakhs they sold in the year on credit. So in this thing, everybody is recoverable? No. What? 1.75% of the amount. Means 1.75% of 16 lakhs 0.125. People got 0.2828. When you calculate, this is 0.28 21875, something like that. Are you understanding, everybody? So hopefully, guys, you can calculate this using a calculator. Total, as I have told you guys, total amount you have with you, this amount, this amount, this amount, this amount. Total amount is how much? 16.125. In that, guys, 10%. Not 10%, 1%, not 1%, this much of percent on credit. It's not recoverable. So we have to calculate on this thing, and the answer is 28 point this thing. This is calculated question. The previous questions, whatever we have done, observation based question, you have to see the quarter, next collection, next quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter, highest credit where. These all things by observation, but this is by calculation. Yes. 5 out of 5, whatever the question they're going to give you, they are not all calculative. Some are observation based. So you have been left with verbal sessions here.